The Kathua rape and murder case trial, which began in Jammu and Kashmir on Monday, will see its next hearing on April 28. The case is related to 8 people allegedly holding an 8-year-old girl captive in a small village temple in state's Kathua district for a week in January this year, sexually assaulting her and then murdering her. The accused were ready to undergo narco tests, said their counsel. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court heard the plea of the father of the Kathua rape victim to transfer the trial to Chandigarh. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Jammu and Kashmir state government seeking a reply on Kathua rape and murder case plea that was filed by victim's father. The Apex Court has also ordered security to the victim's family and lawyer. The next hearing on the plea to transfer case will be on 27th April. The Kathua rape case trials began a day after protests were staged in various parts of the country by citizens outraged by heinous crime. The accused in the Kathua case includes a juvenile against whom a separate charge sheet was filed. The juvenile and the other accused will be facing separate trials, while 7 of the accused perpetrators will be tried in the Session Court. The Chief Justice Magistrate of Kathua will hold a trial for the juvenile. The accused include 4 police officers and a retired government official. Charge sheet will be provided to the accused on Tuesday, while the plea to move the case out of Jammu and Kashmir will be heard on Monday. The Apex Court took a strong note of certain lawyers obstructing the judicial process in this case. The Kathua trial is expecting to be conducted smoothly. However, the Supreme Court's actions in this matter and the Indian civil society's demand for justice in the Kathua case have not eased the challenges faced by the lawyer of the victim's family. The Kathua rape victim's lawyer, Deepika Singh Rajawat, on Sunday said that she feared for her life as she might get raped or murdered. She added that she had been called anti-Hindu and boycotted socially. Rajawat said that she would be approaching the Supreme Court to demand security for herself and her family. I will tell this to Supreme Court. I'm feeling bad and it's really unfortunate. You can well imagine my plight, she said, adding, but I will stand for the justice and we should seek justice for the 8-year-old girl. The charge sheets filed by Jammu and Kashmir Police Crime Branch state that the abduction, rape and killing of the minor Bakrewal girl was a part of carefully planned strategy aimed at forcing the minority nomadic community out of area. Meanwhile, as the Kathua trial is set to begin, a group of former civil servants on Sunday issued a strongly worded open letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, holding him responsible more than anyone else for the terrifying state of affairs in the country. The letter asked Modi to check India's free fall into anarchy by taking tough action against the alleged perpetrators of the Kathua and Unnao rape cases and the perpetrators of other hate crimes across the country. 2 Bharatiya Janata Party ministers, Chandra Prakash Ganga and Lal Singh, have resigned following accusations of attending a rally in support of the alleged culprits of the crime. Lawyers who stop police from filing Kathua case charge sheet could face lifetime ban. 6 special public prosecutors appointed for Kathua rape case trial to ensure neutrality. Now, who are the 8 accused in the Kathua rape and murder case? Charge sheet filed by the crime branch lists Sanjay Ram, the caretaker of small temple called Devasthan village in Kathua, as the main conspirator behind the crime. Sanjay Ram was allegedly joined by special police officers Deepak Khajuria and Surinder Verma, friend Parvesh Kumar alias Manu, and Ram's juvenile nephew and his son Vishal Jangotra alias Shamma in committing the crime. The charge sheet also names the investigating police officers, Head Constable Tilak Raj and Sub-Inspector Anand Datta for allegedly taking Rs 4 lakh from Ram and destroying crucial evidence in Kathua case. All 8 are under arrest. Bar Association of Kathua takes back offer to defend Kathua rape accused free of cost. The Bar Association of Kathua has retracted its earlier statement for providing legal assistance free of cost to the accused in the Kathua rape case. It said that after going through the charge sheet presented by the crime branch against the accused in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate on April 9, it was revealed that the allegations against the accused persons are very grave and as such this case is to be dealt with in a professional way. Meanwhile, Mehbooba Mufti also wants a special fast-track court to try Kathua rape case. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti had written to the Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court requesting that a special fast-track court be set up to try the crucial Kathua rape and murder case. It would complete the trial in 90 days and would be the first such court in state, officials said.